So this is the Day 1 edition of Cupid Parasite. And so this is an unboxing video of it. Alright. Okay. So as you can see here, the box is smooth. Oops. Okay. Your stickers, yay! And there's a poster. Okay, so nothing else left in the box. Okay, stickers. The poster has a smooth feel to it, but it looks like it's kind of blurred. You know, actually, the print looks like, you know, the effect where there's this bubble effect, or it's like made for the blue and red 3D goggles. It's kind of printed like that, either that or the double print is kind of off. But it looks okay. It actually fits the theme of the game, to be honest. But the print does have that kind of effect. So here's the poster. It's kind of big. Here's a poster for LIs. Oh my gosh. Okay, so poster aside, here's the stickers, and here's the unboxing of the game. Okay. I should have scissors. Oh, okay. So there's this tiny thing. This. And then here's the cards. They're actually quite small. They're smaller than the usual. And they have Japanese prints. Okay. And you can actually reverse the cover of the cartridge if you want. As you can see, it's actually, is it the same thing? Yeah, the back cover is the same thing, and the front cover is actually better than this one. So yes, that's my unboxing of Cupid Parasite Day 1 edition, which I got from Database $3. Yeah, let's all have fun playing this game.